front of me is LENOVO Tab M11, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts on this device. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Then click on Emergency Contacts and click on Add Contact. Now just click on the one that you wish to set up and do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. If you wish to change order of your contacts, click on Reorder at the top right corner, drag them, and after accomplishing a perfect order, click on Save at the top right corner. To delete one of your contacts, click on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!